Describe in mode of sexual reproduction in surrogasms. Surrogasm sexual reproduction is ogamous, involving motile spermatozoids from male conceptacles and threadia, fusing with non-motile eggs or from female conceptacles oogenia, inside the flex shaft cavity. Inside the flex shaft cavity on flex shaft cavity called flex shaft cavity. Inside the flex shaft cavity on a specialized branches or specialized conceptacle specialized on branches receptacles receptacles. Male Enthredia, female Oogenia organs are developed separately in different conceptacles, releasing gamete into water, where fertilization occurs, forming a zygote that develops into a new plant. Here a step-by-step breakdowns. Here a step by step breakdown. Here a step by step breakdown halena. Here a step by step breakdown. Sex organs and locations. Male Enthredia produce many small biflagellate spermatozoids. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं फीमेल एंट्री रुकना बताते क्या चल female Oogenia produce large non-motile eggs ova. These organs are housed in conceptacles, which are flex shaft cavity on a specialized on branch receptacles. Specialized on branches receptacles. Specialized on branches receptacles. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं स्पेशलाइज्ड ऑन ब्रांचेज रिसेप्टेकल्स. फिर क्या बोलते हैं conceptacles are typically unisexuals, either male or females. Male conceptacles contains enthredia, while female conceptacles oogonia. उसके बाद sperms release and fertilizations. Sperms are released from the male conceptacles in water. इसके बाद sperms are attracted to eggs chemical signals and fertilize. अच्छा रुकना क्या चल fertilizations क्या चले fertilizations क्या चले fertilizations रुकना बताते हैं क्या चले. Fertilizations happens in water. The egg surrounding sperm surrounding the egg. ठीक ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं जाइगोट डेवलपमेंट बताओ थे क्या. The zygote results attached to the conceptacles. Attached to the conceptacles. ठीक ना. Certain attached to the conceptacles. conceptacles. उसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं लास्ट में क्या चलो it grows and an embryo. It grows and grows and an embryo, which develops into diploid sporophyte plant. उसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं लास्ट में क्या चलो लाइफ साइकिल्स. The main plant body is surrogasms, diploid sporophytes. ठीक ना. While fermentation vegetative also occurs, sexual reproduction is key for genetic diversity. Answer complete.